you're done.
Ugh.
You're dead. I win. Oh, that must be the pizza.
I'll get it. I wonder what this is and who it could be from.
Let's open it and find out. Oh man, I've never seen a Rubik's Cube before.
Wow, me neither. What should we do?
You know who knows how to solve these?
Who?
Zach.
Let's go.
Let's go find him.
Oh man, I just forgot that I have class.
Oh no.
Take this to Zach. You're almost there.
I'll do it. Hey man, do you know how to solve these?
Yeah. Why?
Well, we don't actually know why, but we're trying to figure it out.
Why is it so important?
I don't know, there's apparently a surprise with it. I was just hoping you could help us out with it.
Alright, yeah, I'll solve it for you.
What's your price?
Applesauce.
Deal. Got your sauce, my dude.
You know, this isn't nearly enough applesauce to solve the whole Rubik's Cube. But I'll tell you what, I'll get it started for you.
Awesome.
Alright, here's the start. Take it to somebody else to finish it.
Incredible, man. Real lifesaver.
So did you get it solved?
No, but we got a really good start, and I know where to go next. Follow me.
Okay. What are we doing here?
Alma knows what to do.
But it's just a statue.
She's so much more than that. Alma, please help us solve the Rubik's Cube.
Wow, the surprise was an A+ in Theater 101. Yes!